You can make money right now without 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time with YouTube. And I'm going to show you how. The absolute best way to make money right now is with affiliate marketing. Companies are paying 40 to 100% commissions to people like you and me just to send people to their product pages. And once they make a purchase, you get paid for that referral. You don't need a business name, you don't need a domain name, you don't need a product, you don't need a warehouse, you don't have to hire anybody. It's the best startup business that you can do for yourself to generate income on the planet right now. And people who are smart are crushing it. But people seem to think affiliate marketing is a scam. Affiliate marketing is not a scam. Affiliate marketing was created by reputable and legit businesses with the goal to increase sales while decreasing ad costs. It's pure genius if you ask me. At a fraction of the cost of ads, you can pay people that matter to tell their friends and clients about your product. Now, since their clients and or friends or family trust them, they will buy the product and the company pays them a commission. Everybody wins. Companies are starting to realize that their profits are large enough to share with the people that are loyal to their brand, thus increasing their profits so much to where they can increase their commissions to their affiliates. If affiliate marketing is a scam, tell me this. People feel scammed when they invested in something and did not see a return or receive what they expected. However, investing in stock markets poses the same risk. But when investors don't see a return immediately, they don't call it a scam. Smart investors understand that seeing a return takes patience. They know all the risks. Sometimes it takes years. Not only investors, but entrepreneurs too. They know all the risks and they know they must be patient and consistent to be successful. When they don't see a profit right away, they don't say, I scammed myself, or people who say you can start a small business and make money are liars. So, affiliate marketing itself is not a scam. It was created with good intentions and values that are beneficial to all parties involved. Now, don't get me wrong, there are dishonest people out there, believe me, I know, but dishonest people are everywhere. It's your job to learn that affiliate marketing is an investment and a business and should be treated as such. Why do I say this? Affiliate marketing is expected to reach $6 billion in sales. More and more companies are jumping on the bandwagon of paying high commissions to people just like you and me versus digital marketing agencies, even increasing their commissions. That means more affiliates are being born. However, even though there is enough profit for all of us, most will fail because they lack the needed skill set and mindset to be successful, thus creating more false reviews, scam alerts, and discouraging all others from even trying. Do you want a piece of that $6 billion? Do you want to be ahead of your competition and hit the ground running and jump ahead and have a boost and know what to do and exactly how to start? I created a blueprint. That's the one I created myself to make a substantial. I've been blessed to make a lot of money in a short amount of time. I've been blessed to learn something and be successful at something that a lot of people don't even know about. Using my own blueprint, I've been able and privileged to make a substantial amount of income that enabled me to leave my job, be home with my family, and be financially free. Now, along the way, I was making a lot of mistakes. My blueprint will show you what to do and also what not to do. Using my blueprint will help you save a lot of money and wasted time and give you a boost to start making income fast. You have the potential to be earning a nice income within 6 to 12 months or sooner, depending on your work ethic. Not taking a look at my blueprint will cause you to get frustrated, give up and quit, and become another bad review, scam alert, and discouraging others from even trying. Click the link in my description and it's going to take you to a web page to show you how to get that. Thank you for watching my content. Please like, share, and comment, and subscribe if you like it and want to get more notifications whenever I drop a new video. God bless you, and I'm out.